Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the full-size bed frame, a 14-inch high metal platform designed for maximum durability and support, capable of holding up to 3,500 pounds for full, queen, king, and California king sizes. This heavy-duty bed frame eliminates the need for a box spring, allowing you to place your spring mattress directly on the sturdy metal slats, providing a noise-free and stable foundation for a restful night's sleep. With 14 inches of vertical clearance, it offers ample underbed storage space, making it perfect for those who need extra room to store belongings. The frame is available in various sizes, including Twin and Twin XL, which can support up to 2,000 pounds, ensuring versatility for any bedroom setup. Assembly is a breeze, taking less than 30 minutes with all tools, parts, and instructions conveniently packed into one compact shipping box. Whether you have a spring, hybrid, or memory foam mattress, this bed frame promises a quiet and supportive experience. Say goodbye to shaky nights and hello to a solid, reliable foundation with this innovative metal platform bed frame. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.